Like, so you're going to hit your camera here.
Yeah.
We can take a photo of an object. Let's zoom in on his sneakers over there.
So can I, well, I have to speak to my piano.
Here. You're going to go to your gallery. With this function, you'll hit and hold the home button. Circle.
Yep.
And it pulls it up right
Just
there.
want to do like
Maybe you're a little shy. You don't want to say, hey, where do you get those kicks from? You can look them up. So Las Vegas. You see, hey, where's that at? Circle it. Bang. Pulls it up right there. You don't have to open any extra tabs. Everything is here on the device. It is AI generated. It is not inside of a cloud. Anything over 29 seconds, it'll be able to transcribe. So, like so.
Samsung Electronics ranked as a top 5 best global brand for the fourth
Minute,
consecutive
2-hour
year
demo.
on
Just for
November
an example,
21st.
you click inside of here. You can choose the language functions for it. There's 13 of them for now.
Yeah.
So we're just going to stick with English.
Okay. So he's going to transcribe what it heard.
Yes. And anytime you see these stars, that is the AI function right there. Bang. It does speakers.
You just scroll the screen up. I'm going to keep the camera in the same position. Just scroll up. That's incredible.
You can also summarize.
Okay, can you do that? Hang on.
Summary.
You just circle that. Oh, there's the summary.
Just tweak it. Let's say you have a group who speaks Spanish, Chinese. All right.
Tweak it. So this is opened up in notes now.
Correct.
Right.
You're going to hit that AI function right down here. Translate. Again, we can do Spanish.
Boom.
Just like that.
That's amazing.
You're late. Where are you? Right? Before you send this message, you don't speak to your boss that way, right?
Yeah.
You don't speak to your girlfriend that way. She's like, who are you talking to? Or your friends. You can hit the AI feature right here.
Oh, it heard you.
Writing style. And it gives you different options.
Yeah, wow.
Professional, casual, social media. You have your emojis in there.
You don't have to jump around to anything. We have these two preloaded contacts, restaurant and taxi. So if we just want to try it with restaurant, I'll walk you through it and then we'll hang up and then we'll do it again.
Oh, yeah.
So we're just going to put speaker, call assist, live translate. We've got it on Korean and English. Hello.
안녕하세요. 이 통화는 실시간으로 진행되며 화면에 테스트로 표시됩니다. 안녕하세요. 안녕하세요. 무엇을 도와드릴까요? Hello. How may I help you?
Could I make a reservation for 2 people?
네, 한시 2명 예약 가능할까요? Yes, I can do it.
Is Friday okay?
시간은 언제로 예약을 할까요? When should I make a reservation for the time?
Friday for 2 people at 8 p.m.
알려주세요. Yes, please tell me your name.
Megan?
네, 메간 이름으로 예약을 완료했습니다. 감사합니다. Yes, I made a reservation under the name of Megan. Thank you.
Thanks, bye.
So the photo itself, great photo, but let's just see what AI has to say about it. And it automatically comes up. It wants to maybe erase the shadows or blur the background. We can start here with the shadows. And within seconds, it can go ahead and remove the shadows. Portrait style picture as well. And let's go ahead and try to blur the background. And then it turns into a portrait. Take 2. Erase. There we go. And it goes ahead and gets rid of that reflection.
Okay.
So if here we go ahead and hit the edit button. We're going to go with the AI. And here we can go ahead and make a selection around this object. It could be anything at this point.
Yeah.
And it will go ahead and focus on that. do a hard press, and I think he was more up in the air. I think he was a little bit bigger, and you know, my tilt is a little off, so we're gonna have that. So now you have your negative spaces here and here. We're gonna go and hit generate. And because it's a hybrid system, it's now working off the server, it's doing the AI, and it's finding the best solution to fill in those negative spaces. And then it goes ahead and moves. So now you have your original, how it was, and then what we got it to. And with that, we have one more option that we can do. We're going to go ahead and, I think, you know, this lamppost is kind of ugly. Focus on that. We're going to do a hard press on the lamppost. And let's just get rid of that lamppost. Generate. And so normal video, the good thing about instant slow-mo is, as you mentioned, you can bring in old photos or old videos and create a new piece with it. So you don't have to record within slow-mo mode, but what you're going to do is we're going to hit play here. And as your regular speed video is going, you just give it a hard press. Beautiful moment. Let's capture it all. And then I'll let it go. Edit and share. We're going to go ahead to edit. And we'll hit adjusted speed. And we're going to see here that for this duration, we wanted that slow-mo. So it remembers where you wanted, what you enjoyed, and then it'll recall it. So at this point now, we can go ahead and hit play. We can crop, we can edit, we can extend before we save again and share.
That's awesome.